Shirley, or you guys call me Prissyshay. Today's video is gonna be me creating a different, a cut crease look. I haven't done a cut crease look in a minute. I think I did it. I don't know. So I wanted to create a look, to match my outfit, be colorful. Yeah, I just want to do something really bright and different, and I'm gonna share my outfit towards the end of the video. I'm gonna be dancing, I'm gonna be getting lit just a little bit. I just want to share my outfit. I'm looking cute. I just want to show my body. I just want to show it off because I can, and you guys can't do nothing about it. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, subscribe please, and tell your homeboys, your girlfriend about my channel. Because if you don't, girl, we fighting. If you don't share my channel, we fighting. Okay. Anyways, click on notification bell because y'all need to be updated my video. When I post, y'all need to click on that thing and watch it. Okay. I ain't playing with y'all hoes. Y'all play too much. Just give me a thumbs up, share, all that. You feel me? So stay tuned.